Hi everyone, this is G. Harper Jyoti, lecturer in mathematics from KHL Degree College, Bhimavaram. Here, the paper is ring theory and vector calculus. Firstly, we discussed about rings 1. Here the introduction. In this chapter, we shall study an algebraic system known as ring equipped with two binary operations which we call as addition and multiplication. The theory of rings is similar to the theory of groups which we have already studied. In the previous group theory, there is a one binary operation, but in ring theory, there is a two binary operation, that is addition and multiplication. Here the definition, that is the definition for ring. Let R be a non-empty set and plus comma dot be two binary operations on R. Then the algebraic system R comma dot R comma plus comma dot is said to be a ring. If R comma plus is an abelian group, R comma dot is a semi-group, A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C, B plus C dot A is equal to B dot A plus C dot A for all A comma B comma C belongs to R. Here the three conditions will be there. There is R comma plus is an abelian group. If R comma plus satisfies some conditions, that is closure, associative, identity, inverse and commutative with respect to addition, then we call R comma plus is an abelian group. I am going to second condition. R comma dot is a semi group. If R comma dot satisfies the condition is associative with respect to multiplication, then we call R comma dot is a semi group. Here the third condition will be, that is the left distribution law and right distribution law. See here another definition for ring. Let R be a non-empty set and plus comma dot be two binary operations on R. Then the algebraic system R comma plus comma dot is said to be a ring. If first condition A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C for all A comma B comma C belongs to R. There is a associative law with respect to addition. And second condition, there exists 0 belongs to R such that A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A for all A belongs to R. That is the identity element. Identity law. 0 is the identity element and the second condition is identity law. Third point, A belongs to R, that implies there exists minus A belongs to R such that A plus minus A equal to minus A plus A is equal to 0. That is the inverse law. And fourth condition, A plus B is equal to B plus A for all A comma B belongs to R. That is the commutative law. Here the four conditions are, one is associative, identity, inverse and commutative. Then it is called R comma plus is abelian group. Okay, we are going to fifth condition. A dot B dot C is equal to A dot B dot C for all A comma B comma C belongs to R. That is semi-group. Associative law is satisfied with respect to dot. Then it is called semi-group. R comma dot is a semi-group. Next we are going to sixth and seventh points, conditions. That's the left distribution law and right distribution law. Here important remarks. In any ring R comma plus comma dot, the structure R comma plus of R is called the additive group and R comma dot of R is called multiplicative semi-group. Okay, second point, the identity element of the first composition plus called additive identity. It is denoted by 0 called 0 element of the ring and the additive inverse of the element A is denoted by minus A called the negative of A. Okay, next 0 ring or null ring. Let R is equal to sequence of 0 if plus comma dot are defined in R as 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Then R comma plus comma dot is a ring. This ring is called 0 ring or null ring. Okay. examples for rings. The points will be there. First point, if z is the set of all integers and plus comma dot are addition and multiplication in z, then z comma plus comma dot is a ring. If q is the set of all rational numbers and plus comma dot are addition and multiplication in q, then q comma plus comma dot is a ring. If R is a set of all real numbers and plus comma dot are addition and multiplication in R, then R comma plus comma dot is a ring. If C is the set of all complex numbers and plus comma dot are addition and multiplication in C, then C comma plus comma dot is a ring. Here some basic properties of a ring. Here the theorem will be there. If R be a ring and A comma B comma C belongs to R, then first one, A0 is equal to 0, A is equal to 0. Second point, A into minus B is equal to minus A into B is equal to minus of AB. Third point, minus A into minus B is equal to AB. Fourth point, A into B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. Fifth point, B minus C into A is equal to BA minus CA. Here, okay. Here the theorem will be going on. The proof, let's see the proof. Let R be a ring and A comma B comma C belongs to R. Okay. First condition we have to take A 0 is equal to 0, A is equal to 0. We have to prove that. Okay. First we take A into 0 is equal to A. We are going to 0, see there. 0 ring will be there. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 into 0 is equal to 0. By using this condition, we have to write where 0 is equal to 0 plus 0. Okay. By using that and by using distribution law, A into B plus A into C like that, and A is A into 0 plus A into 0. Okay. Third line, A0 plus, by adding 0 in this left side, A0 plus 0 is equal to A0 plus A0. By using left cancellation law, A0 will be cancelled. Then the value is 0 is equal to A0. Okay. Similarly, we can prove that 0A is equal to 0. Therefore, A0 is equal to 0. A is equal to 0. Okay. We are going to next condition. Second one. We have to prove, first of all, how to write this proof. A into minus B is equal to minus A into B is equal to minus of AB. Firstly, we have to taking by condition 1. We have to taking by condition 1. 0 is equal to A0. We have to take it. 0 is equal to A. We have to write B. We have to write 0 value is B plus minus B. Okay. 0 is equal to AB plus A into minus B. Okay. Here plus AB, we have to going left side, that the value is minus AB is equal to A into minus B. Then the third condition, minus A into minus B is equal to minus of A of B minus B equal to minus A of minus B means by using second condition, A of minus B is equal to minus AB. You have to write minus of AB. Here also will be minus into minus plus AB. We are going to fourth condition, A into B minus C is equal to, by using distribution law, A into B plus minus C is equal to AB plus A into minus C is equal to AB minus AC. Similarly, B minus C into A is equal to B plus minus C into A is equal to BA plus minus C into A. That is equal to BA minus CA. Thank you.